Want to know how to publish a book on Amazon KDP step by step? Well, in this video, I'm gonna literally share my computer screen with you and show you how to do this step by step. So in my last video where I was talking about how I really think we should stop publishing our books solely on Amazon KDP and put them on our own platforms, I had a lot of questions from people about how to actually order that book from KDP, printed and shipped to your customer. So I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes look at what this process looks like. So just follow along with me. It's actually fairly simple. The first thing you need to do is create your account on Amazon KDP.
You're going to go to kdp.amazon.com and sign up for an account. Now, the really cool thing is if you already have an Amazon account, you can just log in with your Amazon account and you can get signed up that way. You don't have to create a new username or password. So it's totally up to you. So just go to kdp.amazon.com, click join KDP, and then you're going to create your account. But again, if you already have an Amazon account, you can just click sign in. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and type my information in. So I'm going to put Stephanie Rodnez. There we go. Now it's going to say to verify your email address, we have sent you a one-time password and OTP to the email address that you registered. Again, this is if you're not already signing in to an existing account. So I just got mine. So I'm going to go ahead and insert mine and then click create your Amazon account. Now you have to read this agreement. Do not ever agree to anything if you don't read the terms and conditions. Read the agreement, okay? And only agree if you actually agree. I've already read it, so I'll hit agree. And now this is me on the KDP platform. And I just want to point you to, there's a ton of resources here for you. A ton of resources here for you. KDP tells you how to use KDP because their goal is for you to make them money. So just go through all the information they have here, especially the community and the marketing tab. There's a lot of information for you. But you're not going to be able to sell until you complete your account page information. So you see here, it says, please provide required information on your account page. You have to click this and you have to finish setting up your account.
Step number 2, once your account is created on Amazon KDP, now you need to go ahead and upload your book files to the KDP platform to be published.
So to upload your files to Amazon KDP is pretty simple, honestly. You're going to click this huge yellow create button. And you're going to select what type of book. So mine, I want to use this to drop ship hard copy, well, paperback book. So printed prayer journal. So I'm going to click create paperback. And then you just got to put in your name. So prayer journal for business women is the name of mine. And then if it's a series, you add to series. If it's an edition, you add edition. You put your author name. So mine is Stephanie Rodnez. And then you put in your description. So I do own the rights. There's no explicit stuff in here. This is optional. Primary marketplace, Amazon.com, because I'm in the States. Choosing my category, mine classifies as a low content book because it's the same information over and over. And I'm going to choose religion and spirituality, save category. And then here I'll put prayer journal for business women, all that good stuff. Publication date and release date are the same. I don't need to schedule a release, and I'll click save and continue. I'm going to publish without an ISBN. I don't need it. I like my prayer journals to be cream paper, so that's what I'm going to do. And I like 6x9. And then I like bleed. I'm going to choose matte finish, and I'm going to click here to upload my manuscript. So I'll click upload. And then once the manuscript is up, then I can go ahead and upload my print ready PDF. So I'll select that, upload my cover. And then now I'm just going to scroll down. No, this is not AI generated. And I have to launch the previewer so that I can make sure that everything is sitting correctly because KDP is very particular. They want to make sure everything prints beautifully. So just go ahead and preview it yourself so you can save yourself time. So now when it finishes uploading, now you can go ahead and check your proof. So look, this does have some errors. All right. So you see how this is slightly to the left. So that is a little bit of a problem. So I need to go through and back to my cover and readjust this so that this is more to the side. But other than that, it looks great. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. The only issue is the cover. That's good. So let me go fix that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just went and fixed my cover. So I'm going to click upload cover. I'm going to upload the new version. Awesome. And then I'm going to launch again. Well, first I have to click OK and then launch again. Okay, so if you are doing this and that just took forever on your computer, don't worry, it just took forever on mine. Obviously I edited this, but that just took like 20 minutes. It takes forever. Anyway, so now you can see my cover fits perfectly, praise God. Now you can see that the error message is gone, which is excellent. I don't have to preview the inside again, the inside's fine. So now I can just click this yellow approve. And now that we are approved, I can scroll all the way down. And I'll see that my cost per print is $3.60, which is fantastic. And then I'll click save and continue. And I'm going to scroll down. I have all territories. This is my book. Amazon.com is where I'm going to be selling it. Let's go over this in the next step.
Third, you need to go ahead and set your royalty rate for your book. And this is really where you're going to see how much money they're taking from you, sis.
So if you see here, it says expanded distribution. So other royalties, if I sell to like, Barnes & Noble online and things like that, online retailers, it's 40%. Don't do this. Just upload to those platforms yourself. We're only using this as a drop shipping method. Now you see here, it says the minimum I can list this at is $6. The maximum is $2.50. I'm going to list this for $37 because that's what I'm selling the bundle for on my website. Now, because it's a 60% royalty rate and it's $3.60 printing, I'm only keeping $18.60 when I sell this. That's it. If I sell this on my website, I still pay the $3.60, but I get to keep 37 minus $3.60, which is what? Let me do the math really quick. 37 minus $3.60. $33.40 is what I would keep on my website if I sell this through my website. So let me do the math here. $33.40 minus $18.60. By selling this on my website, I get to keep $14.80 more per sale. That's why I recommend you do this as a drop shipping method. My last video, a lot of people were upset. Again, my Amazon sellers were upset. I'm not telling you, I'm not trying to come after your hustle. Keep doing you, boo. I'm just saying I have done this for years. I know that when I use Amazon as a drop shipper and just sell through my own website, I keep way more profit. I'm going to keep $33 if I sell this on my own website. If I sell it through Amazon, I only keep $18. Like, what's the point of that? Just use it as a drop shipping store. And if you're like, oh, well, Amazon doesn't let you do that because a lot of people keep saying Amazon doesn't let you drop ship. Let me direct you to kdp.amazon.com's own page. Look, and I'll put this link in the description box. If I forget, just comment and say, can you put that link in the description box? And then I'll remember. Now look here. It says proof copies feature a not for resale watermark. Proofs are intended as a test copy for you to review prior to submitting for publication. Author copies are prints of your live book offered to you at print cost. Author copies don't include unpublished draft changes you've made on KDP. You are welcome to resell or give away author copies you ordered from KDP. I'm going to say that again. You are welcome to resell or give away author copies you order from KDP. I'm not going to say frustrated, but overwhelmed with the amount of authors who are coming under my videos and commenting that you're not allowed to use KDP as a drop shipping platform. Amazon themselves says you're allowed to do this. It's allowed. So if I decide that I want to make $33 per copy sold instead of $18 per copy sold, let me do it. And if I want to teach other authors how to do it, let's teach them. We're not saying that you have to. If you want to keep selling on Amazon, do you, boo. It's fine. But for those of us who want to make more profit margin in our business, use Amazon KDP as a drop shipping method. And let me show you how to do that. Okay, so on the website, I'm going to go ahead and publish my paperback book. And it's going to take up to 72 hours for the book to be available for purchase, okay? So I'm going to pause here, and then once it's available for sale, I'm going to come back on and show you how to do this as a dropship book. But you can see here, it says in review, but once it's done, I'll come back on and I'll show you how to dropship this. It's the next day and Amazon still has not approved my book on Amazon Kindle. And I want to go ahead and finish editing this video so I can get it uploaded and scheduled so you guys can get it on Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you through my other account. This is my test account that I record a lot of tutorials on for God Will Grow University. So I have a tutorial in the Faith-Based Author School where I taught women how to create and self-publish this. So this is the exact book that I showed in that tutorial. So this is already live. So I just want to show you, once it is live, what you now need to do. So you list your book for sale on your website, okay? Now, when somebody goes to your website and purchases the book, you're going to now have their customer name, you're going to have their email address, and you're going to have their shipping address. So now you have that information from your website's backend where they purchased the product. You now need to come log into kdp.amazon.com. So you're going to come over, log into kdp.amazon.com. You're going to scroll to your book. So this is my prayer journal for businesswomen right here. And you're going to click this button, order author copies. Order author copies. Go ahead and click that. And then you're going to select the quantity. So the person on my website purchased one. So I'm going to put one. And then you have to select your marketplace. I'm in the States, so I'm going to put Amazon.com. And then you click add to cart. Now it's going to redirect you to checkout. So I'm on Amazon. It's going to redirect me to checkout. Here's what you have to do. Select right here. You see where it says this is a gift? Select this is a gift. Select that. And then click the yellow proceed to checkout. And now you need to add the customer's address. So you're going to click here where it says add a new address. Go ahead and click that. Add a new address. And you're going to put the customer's name. So let's say, for example, the customer's name is Michelle Smith. On your website, you got her email or her shipping address when she ordered it from your website. So you're going to copy and paste from your website, and then you'll click use this address. And now you see here, it says the customer's name and the customer's shipping address. So it's going to be shipped to them. And because you put this item as a gift, you get to go ahead and put in a note. So use this for marketing. So, hi, Michelle. Thank you so much for ordering the prayer journal for business women. I'm so excited to see what you create. Please tag me when you get it. My Instagram is @godlywoodgirl. XOX Stephanie. And then I'll just put this from @godlywoodgirl. And then you'll click Save Gift Options. And now it's going to take you to your payment method. So on your website, she purchased whatever you charged her. So I'm hoping you charged her the cost of printing and shipping the book by at least ×2. So Amazon's charging me $7.43. So hopefully I charged her $15 at least. So I'm going to take half of what she paid me, that's $7.50. And I'm going to go ahead and put in my credit card information. So hopefully you have a business card, right? And you get points for your business expenses. And then once you get the money deposited from your website, you'll just pay off this charge on your credit card. So you just do the transaction one after the other. So you put in your information, and then you're going to go ahead and click submit. This is how you use Amazon as a print-on-demand drop shipping platform for your book business. You sell through your website so you can make more profit.
Amazon does have a certain quality standard, so your book needs to be formatted correctly, so hopefully you've done that. If you don't know how to format your book according to the right templates, make sure you get into the Faith-Based Author School. I show you how to do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek of the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School. If you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the God That Would Grow Faith-Based Author School, just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the God That Would Grow Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. That's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new God the Wood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit christianauthorschool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. If you haven't seen my other 2 videos, Amazon KDP is not how I make money with my books. I make my books by putting them on my own platforms and doing my marketing to promote those platforms. So please watch those videos to hear about the strategy, because again, the more money we make as women of faith, the more mission we can do in our homes, in our families, in our communities, in our churches. It literally does not have to be based on what Amazon says we can make as women. We get to choose our own rates if we put these on our own platform. So please watch those videos, comment down below, let me know any questions you have. That could be our next video, and God willing. If you want to learn how to start your own business online as a faith-based author, come join my free upcoming 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I'll teach you how to do it. The link is in the description box below. And don't forget to watch this video for even more resources for what you can do to build your book business online. God bless you, sis. I'll see you on the platform.